Good morning, this is Mike with Wildcat RVs. Today we're going to take a look at our Starcraft 27 RKS. First thing we'll notice, the diamond plate that runs up about a third of the front, protecting it from any kind of road damage while trailering. As you look to the other side, we'll notice this nice half-ton towable bumper pull travel trailer has a slide. Also tinted safety glass throughout. You notice along the side we have a full-length awning, outside speakers. Also up forward we have pass-through storage. Also comes with all your power cables and everything. Along with that, when you do business with Wildcat RVs, we have no dealer fees. Also, our campers come completely prepped and ready. Propane, battery, and a complete thorough walkthrough so you'll understand all the inner workings of your new camper. So let's take a look inside this nice camper. First thing we'll know, a tandem axle, nice wide opening, home style floor coverings. As we walk in, we'll notice right off the bat we have two really nice recliners. Open into a rear kitchen. Nice double sink. Plenty of cabinet storage for pots and pans and canned goods. Microwave. We have a 3-burner stove. Oven. Nice nor cold refrigerator and freezer. Here we have our dinette that also opens to a twin bed, and a sofa that also expands out to a bed. This area right here is for a TV and DVD player, and the stereo that's for inside and outside speakers for your enjoyment. Nice sized restroom, sink, nice curtain close for your bedroom, and a full queen bed with plenty of hang-up storage. Also underneath the bed we have more storage. So please come on out to Wildcat RVs, home of no dealer fees. We just like to get you out camping. You're not just a number here, you're part of our camping family. So please come out to Wildcat RVs in Corbin, Kentucky, and let's get you out camping.